Hello and welcome back to Overanalyze. Today we're going to be talking about quantum physics and how it relates to theology. Today's topic is creation and the universe, and not necessarily creationism, but just the creation of the universe, or how it relates to that. Everything we're going to be talking about today is verified science, mainstream science. It is not debated. It is held by atheists and by scientists around the world, physicists, quantum physicists. So this isn't some religious propaganda baloney stuff. This is real science. So we're going to be using it. So our first thing is this is the universe right here. This is a cylinder or a rod, or not not a empty cylinder, but a filled cylinder, right? And this is everything that there is, right? So what we have here is these. You could think of it like a stack of coins or a stack of CDs or whatever you want to think about it as, but it's a cylinder, up or down, doesn't matter. This it's composed of a series of disks. Every disk is the universe. The universe is in the shape of a disk. Hold on, that's now they're going. The universe is more or less a circle, right? So here's the center of the universe, right? And you are not there. Earth is. We'll put a little blue dot over here. It's super, 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 super tinier than even that. The universe is very, very, very big, but it is only so big. It is finite. It is very, 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 very big, but no bigger than that. It has a size. It is not infinite. It feels like it's infinite, but it's not. It does end. Um, so it's basically, and it's in the shape of basically a disc, a circle, right? And so what we have here, this way, what we have here, what we have here is a circle, right? Put there, and there's a bunch of them. So this is space, right? It's the space. It's matter, material objects. It's the universe, all of it, right there. And this, right here, the width of it, the stacks of these put together, is time. This is the time-space continuum. You might have heard of it in movies or something and not really known what it is. Time-space continuum is how big the universe is. It is combined with time. So they are actually one unit, more or less. They form a cylinder, a series of circles. So, for instance, we're going to have two of these, right? Alright, so here's the second one, right? So this one right here, we're going to have as today at 1 o'clock, right? And this one right here is today at 2 o'clock. Okay? So they're over here. This is over here. What's going to happen is in between an hour, I mean on the entire universe, maybe over here a rock moves 1 centimeter due to gravity. Over here a sun absorbs a certain amount of hydrogen and transfers, and all these sorts of things that happen. But most of what happens is on Earth, we have biological things, we have lots of other different things that happen in 1 hour. What can you do? You can get in your car and you can drive to a city over, or you can watch a movie, or whatever the case may be. So this disk is right here. It's this segment of the time-space continuum. And this one is this one right next to it, right? And it's just a stack of basically CDs, right? So this is the time-space continuum. Now, how does that relate to theology and creation? Well, whether you're a young Earth creationist or the universe is billions of years old kind of person, it doesn't matter, because that just matters how long or short this is. It is only so long. It has a beginning. The universe has a beginning, right? Big Bang, you might say, or God said, "Let there be light." It doesn't matter. It has a beginning, and it has an end. Scientists agree, a beginning and an end to the universe. So there's this time, right? For instance, your lifetime might be this right here.